Hey everyone! Today we are looking at Global Snow 2, developed by Cronect. If you've ever tried to turn a summer scene into a winter landscape manually, you know how painful it is. This asset is designed to do all that heavy lifting for you, with just a few clicks. It's easily one of the most powerful winter solutions on the Unity Asset Store. Once you import the package into your project, you'll find this documentation. It explains everything you need to know about Global Snow, covering exactly how to set things up and how to use every feature effectively. It covers a lot of extra details, so if you run into any questions, you can easily find all the answers right here in this guide. And don't forget, if you hit a snag during setup, they've got you covered with detailed video tutorials on their YouTube channel. They walk you through the entire process visually, making sure everything is crystal clear. It's honestly perfect from every angle. Alright, now that we've covered the basics, let's jump right into our Unity scene and see this asset in action. Here is our demo scene. Right now, you're looking at the scene in its raw, non-integrated state. It's a standard, high-quality map, but it's completely dry. There are no shaders applied yet, and no winter effects in place. To change that and bring the winter vibe to life, we just need to tweak a few settings and get the system initialized. To install the plugin correctly and get those high-end visuals, we need to follow a few quick steps. First, head over to Project Settings, go to Quality, and double-click your render pipeline asset. Make sure you're using URP. Next, in the inspector, find the renderer list under the rendering section and double-click that asset. Now, here's a key step. Finally, just click Add Renderer feature at the bottom and select the Global Snow Render feature. As you can see, our package is now fully set up and ready to go. The integration is complete and the system is officially live within the scene. You can quickly see the difference for yourself right here. Just look at how drastically the entire atmosphere has shifted. It's not just about adding a white layer. The lighting, the mood, and the overall feel of the world have completely transformed into a freezing, immersive winter environment in an instant. Now, I'm going to show you how you can add this effect to any of your own assets. Whether you have custom buildings, props, or terrain, the process is incredibly straightforward. I'll walk you through how to ensure your specific models interact perfectly with the Global Snow system so they look natural in your winter world. Just to do is attach the Global Snow script to our main camera. The entire environment is instantly buried under a blanket of snow. It's that simple. But the real fun starts now. Now that everything is covered, let's dive into the settings and start customizing the look to get it exactly right. Simplest level, we can start by making it snow. We have full control over the weather here. We can adjust the snowfall speed, change the direction of the wind to make it more chaotic, and really fine-tune the intensity of the storm to match the vibe we're going for. Let's quickly add some fog and mist into the mix. By bringing in these cloud layers, we can really enhance the depth of the scene, creating that thick, wintry atmosphere where the horizon starts to disappear into the cold. We can also adjust the coverage extension settings. This gives us precise control over how far the snow spreads and how it wraps around the surfaces in our scene. You can quickly tweak settings like threshold and snow amount to perfectly match your vision. Whether you want a light dusting of frost or a heavy, deep snowfall, these sliders give you total control over the accumulation and where exactly the snow starts to settle on your objects. Max exposure and minimum ambient intensity, we can take the realism even further. These settings allow us to balance how the snow reacts to the light, preventing it from becoming too blindingly white, while ensuring the shadows and darker areas still feel cold and atmospheric. It's all about finding that perfect balance for your scene's lighting. The asset is packed with a ton of detail, but it's also incredibly flexible. If you don't want to tweak every slider individually, you can choose from 3 main presets: best quality, medium, or fastest. This allows you to instantly optimize the performance based on your project's needs. Whether you're aiming for high-end cinematic visuals, or need to keep things running smoothly on lower-end hardware. Alright friends, as you can see, we've taken our scene from scratch and transformed it into a stunning winter atmosphere with just a few clicks and the right settings using global snow too. The fact that it delivers such high-end visuals while remaining so well optimized is a massive win for your projects. I hope this guide helps you take your scenes to the next level. If you have any questions about the asset, let's chat in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more.